Maghila ka lang po, ani guys. Maghila ka lang guys, ang kasakit. It smells so good. Let's see if I can flip it over.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. I just got up. Good morning. You Google mama, no Google. I love you. Okay guys, good morning. It is January 11 and let me open all the windows to see outside. So what is today? Our garbage day today. Can. I'm having my breakfast. And somebody's right there. What are you doing, Hobbs? Oh. He loved this thing. This. I got small pieces for him. I'm gonna edit the video early today because I usually edit it late, but I don't know. I'm planning to go to my house, and so let's see what's the thing. Look, I'm editing right now, but look who's in here. Try to get my attention. Yes, Roxy, what do you want? What do you want? Mama's editing. Oh, I am editing videos, and you try to be getting my attention right here. You're gonna shut my laptop off. Oh, the power button is right here. What is that? Look, you're a good girl. I know you're a good girl. You just night over there, okay? Yeah, it's already 11:21 in the morning, almost noon time now, and I'm not done. I'm done editing. I'm just gonna finalize my video, and then I probably upload it upstate, and I'm gonna look the weather tonight. If it's like bad, if it's bad weather, that means I'm not going to my house, and so let's see. And then if it's good, that means I'm going upstate, and then yeah, so that's the plan. Fingers crossed everything is fine, because I'm not gonna drive, guys. Believe me, I'm not gonna drive if the weather is bad, or if it's cold in there. That means icy up there. It's been snowing there and it's really cold. That means it's icy. So that's why I'm still here. But today, hopefully, because here it's nice today, everything is melting already. So hopefully over there is the same. I'm just waiting for the laundry, because I'm doing a laundry also, and I'm talking to my friend, my best friend in here in the US, Beth, the PT girl in YouTube. And so yeah, so if you are watching my video, Beth, hi, thank you always for the time, and always, like listening to my blah blah blah, and anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm gonna have some swordfish, the leftover from last night. And hey, sister, Pinay New Yorker TV, I saw you have the clam chowder soup from Trader Joe's. I got that, and then I let Tommy have it, and he bring it to work, and I hope he'll like it. I'm gonna ask him later if he'll like it. Hi guys, I will show you something. Look at this dog. Even the dog is in the Philippines, they're barking it. So okay, I'm watching Jeannie Berry video on Facebook. Listen, hold on. Okay, listen, this is the video that I've been watching for you, sis. And then look, listen to the dog. Look, listen, listen. Look. That dog is in the Philippines. It's really far, far, far away, land. Yes, it is very far. What are you barking for? You barking the dog that is not even here? I don't know. I'm not sure. It's just really hard to decide to go back, to go to my house. Because of these two. And my Tommy also. And the cat. But these two dogs makes me happy. These two puppies makes me happy. Especially you. You too cute now. You too cute now. You love mama so much, right? Hi guys. I put everything already in the car. And yeah, and before that, before I go, I'm uploading a non-stop love song on my phone, and that I can listen music. And now when I put my phone in my laptop, it's updating. Update from my old iPhone, it's back. The update is put back here, so it takes a while now. So it's 7 minutes. I'm going to my house, and I put some stuff in the car already. I will see you on the road. Okay, let's go take, guys.
Open my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. La 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 la.
Everything I love you.
I never thought to please you, but you told me that it's you. Know that I can something new. It's a touch without you there. It's a sweat without you there.
If I ask, would you say yes? Together we're the very best. And I'll give you my best. Every day I love you. Crowded streets, we won't be out today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take it to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy. Take me to your heart. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy.
Traffic started, guys. Traffic has started. I'm stuck. I just left the house, but there you go.
2 a.m. and the rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused. You can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Trying to get a walk away, but I believe for you and me, there's so much I want me. So I just play my part. Pray for a change of heart, but I can make it see through. That's something only love can do. In your arms, as the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart. I try my best to make it see.
Maghilak ka lang po, ani, guys. Maghilak ka lang, guys. Ang kasakit. I remember when I was heartbroken.
Try to get a walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I just make my part. Feel that change of heart, but I just want to see it through. That's something only love can do. I know if I can find the words to touch you deep inside, you give me just one more chance.
Okay, guys. I think the camera is shaky to the left, shaky to the right. Hi guys, I am almost home. Malapit na ako guys. I'm almost there and the traffic is not bad. It's just, you know, a lot of cars, but it is kind of like it's moving, you know, like under 60. No, it's like under 65, like 60, you know, speed limit while there's a lot of cars. So it's moving. Anyway guys, I'm just keep listening music right here, and I forgot to call Tommy though. I supposedly calling Tommy about to call his doctor because they called last night. Oh, yesterday. It's late afternoon. It's almost 4 o'clock. But anyway, they called Tommy. I don't know guys, I'm so worried about this because the last time we went to the doctor and then, you know, they take his blood and stuff like that, and they never usually call when everything is okay. So I don't know, fingers crossed. I'm hoping, pray for us guys, pray for Tommy. I hope everything is okay and it's not serious. It's too much going on guys. He's not feeling good. He's always kind of like, you know, I don't know. So anyway guys, I will see you home. Just go with the ride with me. I'm just listening music right now, and yeah, so that's really it. Fun sweat. I'm just gonna let the music play. The music that I put is not even good. It's just ridiculous.
You are my fire, the one desire me. When I say I want it that way, can be.
Don't forget me, I remember you say sometimes it lasts to love, sometimes it hurts and stays. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me.
Hi guys, I am here. I just did the box from the other house. I carried it and bring it in. And now and then before that I unplug all the Christmas decoration thing. I am going to cook rice. I think because I don't have rice here. Hold on guys. No rice. So I'm going to cook ricey. Let's see if I have still rice. Yes, I do have rice. I miss my dogs already, like crazy. That's the thing about me. I miss the dog because you know what? I spend more time with them than the cat. I miss my husky boy because he sleeps with me all the time. But the dog is always with me, constantly with me, begging for attention and stuff like that. So now I miss them. How much more if it's real kid, you know? Like, I mean, real kid. Believe me, I feel like they are my real kid. But how much more if it's human, like, you know, your own kid, like human. I covered the 2 windows in there where it's the living room area. I cover them because, you know, the other curtains is like, you can see through and there's no blind yet. I don't want somebody looking at me while I'm sleeping, you know. I don't know what I'm going to have with this. I think I'm gonna have the dried fish that Wendy gave me. I think that's what I'm going to have for dinner with the rice. Look, tingnan nyo, nilagay ko yung tablecloth at saka yung another tablecloth that we have that we can't use because they're all too small.
One thing that surprises consumers the most is
I'm gonna start doing stuff now because obviously it's late already. Well, it's not really late. It's just dark. That's why it's kind of late. It's 5:27 already in the evening. I changed another sweater because I've been wearing that sweater. Even though it's washed, but it's kind of like funny to you guys, like I've been wearing the same thing, but I don't have a choice. Anyway guys, I'm going to the basement to get the bulad, dried fish that Wendy gave me. Let's see guys. Oh, thank God I put it in the freezer, because if I don't put it in the freezer, gonna go bad. So okay, let's go back up. Bulad from Wendy. Thank you, Win. If you are watching, I know for sure you're not because you're busy. Wendy, she is my friend she lives in Texas. She's from Illegal. She is working in Texas and she is busy. My flower, guys, you wanna see? It's still alive. And this one, guys, I'm kind of sad because look, did you see? I don't know if you can see. Focus. Focus. There you go. This one here, it's dead in the end. And I can see also this one right here. It's kind of brown. Actually, there's a lot of brown in here and it's kind of hard. And I feel really, really sad that I hope this one will survive, guys. This is the wood, guys. Look the wood. It's really fresh, guys. New, looking new, brand new. Anyway, I hope I won't get sick because I can feel my throat hurts and I cough a lot. Yeah, it smells so good. It smells so good. Who wants some buwad, guys? Honestly, it's really, really good. Let's see if I can flip it over. So right now, ang gagawin ko na lang is mag-edit ng video. I'm just gonna finish my editing and then I will wash my face later on when I'm ready to lie down, guys. Yun lang naman. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog and I will see you later on. I will see you in my next vlog, guys. Thank you all so much for watching and always appreciated. And yes, so thank you all guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye! Good night, guys.
No one compares, you stay